Hello guys, welcome to Indices channel. So today I'm bring you with another boom and crash scalping strategy. Okay, so this strategy is very useful and it's a straightforward strategy which you can use to trade boom and crash and make some real money. Okay, so stay tuned, watch this video to the end because I'm going to give you guys what you need about the strategy, the settings, and how the strategy really works. Okay, so make sure you watch this video to the end and make sure you subscribe to this channel. Subscribe, like, and turn on post notification anytime we post new strategy. You guys will be aware. Okay, so firstly, I want to show you guys settings of the strategy before we dive into how the strategy really works. Okay, so first thing you want to do, just up into this indicator section. So when you get there, you are going to be adding the first indicator, which is the moving average. Okay, so why do we add this up? We click on this F icon, search for moving average and click on it. Now there's the properties. Okay, set everything up like this and click on save. Then you have your moving average in the chart. Now to the next indicator, which is also the moving average, click on this F icon again, search for moving average and click on it. Now for the second moving average, set the parameters like this and click on save. Then you have your moving average in your chart. Now to the next indicator, which is stochastic oscillator, and the way I add this up, we click on this F icon right here, set for stochastic oscillator, and this is settings. Okay, just have to set stochastic oscillator parameters as default, then go to the levels, and this is the levels you are going to be using for this strategy, and go back and click on save, and you have your stochastic oscillator in your chart. Now to the next indicator, which is the moving average, and we are this up, we click on this F icon right here on our indicator window one, search for moving average and click on this. Now this is the parameters for the moving average. Okay, set everything up like this and click on save, and you have a moving average in your chart. Now to the next indicator, which is the awesome oscillator. Now click on this F icon again. The awesome oscillator has to be as default, then click on save, and you have your awesome oscillator in your chart. Now for the last indicator, which is the moving average, click on this F icon again, search for moving average and click on it. Now for the moving average, these parameters. Now set everything up like this and also click on save, and you have your moving average in your chart. Now that is the indicator we are going to be using for this strategy. Now let's talk about how the strategy works. Okay, now quick note for the time frame, we are going to be using the 5-minute time frame, and for the zoom level we are going to be using the third zoom level. Okay, so that is the zoom level we are going to be using for this strategy. Okay, so let me now show you guys how you take a trade with this strategy. Okay, now let's say you was able to in any entry you take, you was able to catch 5 candles on your 5-minute time frame. Now these five candles on your 1 minute time frame, that means that when you catch 5 candles, that is 1 candle on the 4 minute time frame. Now let's say you catch 5 candles. Okay, that is probably like 25 candles you was able to catch on your 1 minute time frame. Okay, so that is how the strategy is very effective. Now how do we take a trade with this strategy? I'm going to use this recent area as an example. Now what are the things you need to see before taking a trade? Now take a trade on this strategy, you firstly want to wait for the awesome oscillator to get to the 85 levels. Okay, when you get to the 85 levels, you want to see the moving average as well come and touch the 85 levels, which happens right here. So when you see this, you are looking for something, and what is that you are looking for? You want to see that the moving average cross below each other, which happens right here. Okay, so when the moving average cross each other, so let me zoom so you guys can see it more clearly. Now this is what I'm talking about. You want to wait for the awesome oscillator to come to these 5 levels right here. Now once you see that, you want to see the moving average cross each other. Okay, you want to see where the moving average cross each other, which you can see it right here. So this is where the moving average cross each other. After we see this crossing right there, now we are looking for the awesome oscillator to change from this green right here to red. Okay, the volume of the awesome oscillator has to change from green to red. Okay, when you change from green to red, now we are going to look into our main chart. Now what do we want to see in our main chart? We want to see where the red moving average cross below the blue moving average. Okay, so let's do one more thing. Okay, let's set the colors so it can match each other. Okay, so let's set the color up right here. Now let me change this to green, and let me change this one to blue so it can match each other. Okay, so now the same confirmation you see here on your indicator window one, you also want to see, which means that you want to see where the moving average cross below the red moving average, and they also want to see the price come below the moving average right here as well, and you wait for 3 candles, which is we enter at this candle right here. So that's the candle you're going to enter or trade with, and you catch your 5 candles and then close your positions. Okay, so let's go to crash to show you guys one more example here on crash. And here I'm going to show you guys how you can be able to utilize this strategy on your 5-minute time frame right here on crash. Okay, so we are looking for to take the same trade, and what are the trade we are looking for? So let me look for a clean trade right here, and this is a trade right here. We also want to wait for the something later to come to the 15 levels, and we also want to see the moving average come to the 15 levels as well. So when we see that, we're not looking for where the moving average cross each other, which happens right here. So when they cross each other, we want to see the oscillator change from red to green. Okay, on the change from red to green, we also want to see that in our main chart, we want to see the crossover happens, and we also want to see that the candle close above the moving average with a 3 candles, and we are entered this candle right here. So that's candle we are going to enter our trade with, and we'll catch your 5 candles and then close your positions. Okay, so that's how you do this strategy. I hope you guys find this video helpful. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and turn on post notification anytime I post a strategy. You guys will be aware. Thank you guys. I will see you in the next video. Bye.